Imagine a modern production line, specifically designed to package fresh and attractive apples. The line is arranged intelligently and conveniently, from apple import to final packaging, creating a robust and efficient production process. The pomegranate sorting line is an important part of the pomegranate production process, helping to ensure the quality and uniformity of the final product. Not only does it help optimize the production process, but it also ensures product quality and uniformity, and creates trust from consumers. Look at this persimmon production line. Are you interested? With its attractive appearance, bright yellow skin, and cool crispy filling, crispy persimmon is one of the popular choices in the summer. The combination of advanced technology and human ingenuity has created a butter production line with high efficiency and precision. This helps improve productivity and production efficiency while ensuring flexibility and cost savings for businesses. The process of producing whole okra requires dedication and technique from plant care to harvesting and final processing. From the plant, the okra is harvested when properly ripe, keeping its natural flavor and nutrients intact. Champina mushrooms are famous for their unique and delicious flavor and can be eaten raw or cooked in dishes. They are a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, helping to improve cardiovascular health, support the immune system and increase resistance. By choosing the right variety and meticulously caring for the plants, the production process has created zucchini fruits that reach ideal ripeness and natural sweetness. Careful grading and quality checks help eliminate fruit that does not meet standards, ensuring only the best products reach the market. Selecting high-quality fatty sweet potato sprouts to put into the production line is the first important step to ensure the quality of the final product. Through each step of washing, sorting, and preparation, sweet potatoes are processed and brought to market with beautiful shapes. Imagine the feeling when you enjoy a delicious dish made from perfectly thin slices of meat. Each soft piece of meat melts in the mouth, providing a wonderful taste experience. Bite into a piece of crispy, chewy, rich sausage. I feel the perfect blend of ingredients, along with the sophistication in every line and every flavor. Tray stacking line, combined with tomato distributor, is an automatic system designed to stack tomatoes in trays and stack trays in rows. Have you ever seen a cheese cutting machine in action? Imagine you are enjoying a hot cheese sandwich, with fatty slices of cheese melting on the tip of your tongue. Wish you could see my happy smile while enjoying this delicious dish. Rhythmic and delicate, each step of sugar bag packaging production is like a colorful dance. The smooth white film is printed with eye-catching images and information. The bag sizes are cut with high precision.